Okay, so now as we know what exactly is prompt template type and how the prompt builder looks like, now is the time to create a prompt template type, right? So in this video, we'll create one prompt template type, and which type? In this video, we'll just use the field generation one, right? So there are multiple options available as part of prompt template types, but out of those options, I will just create field generation into this video. So let's go to our Salesforce org and see how to create some prompt template types. So just go to your Salesforce org, go to the setup and search for prompt builder. Into the previous video, I have already shown you how the prompt builder looks like and how to create some prompt template types, right? In this video, I'll just create one field generation prompt template type. But for this video, I already have created one field generation prompt template type, which is account summary custom, right? So I'll just click onto this account summary custom. And here you see there's a prompt template type which got created as part of this video. So into this prompt template type, it says the object field account and account summary. So let me quickly show you what we are going to do here. Onto the account record detail page, account record detail page, I want one text area field which is account summary, right? And this account summary field, what I want, there should be a button, and using which I can just create one account summary, right? As soon as I click onto this button, this field, this is the field on account object, this field should automatically get populated whatever summary I want, right? So this is what we are going to create. So here I just have selected account as an object. So while creating the prompt template type, it will ask you, once you select the field generation one from that pick list prompt template type, it will ask you for the object and the field. So I just have selected account and account summary there. This is just the name and the API name and description of the prompt template. And here I just want to use let's say OpenAI GPT-4 Omni model only. These are the limits and file exclusion priority of this model. If you want to have a look of these limits, you can see this, right? Now into the prompt template, the first section, which is prompt section. This is the place where we can create our own prompt template type. So here I just have written, write a short rich text summary of account, and which account I just have placed this account dot name. So now every time whenever I use this prompt template, the name would be coming dynamically, right? I do not need to write the name manually every time. And how did I do that? Let me just remove this name. If you want to select or if you want to give any input to this particular prompt template, let me create a new version of this because this is activated. Okay, so here what you need to do is you just need to insert click onto the insert resource, and here onto the insert resource you will find some options, right? So onto the field generation prompt template type, you can only have these resources. Accounts, account, why account is available there? Because we just have selected account while creating the prompt template type. Current user information, if you want to have current organization information, search will see what exactly it is later. Apex and flows, what if you want to call any Apex class or call any Salesforce flow in order to get the data, in that case you can use Apex and flows as well, right? But here I just want to provide one account name over here. So write a short rich text summary of account. Which account? I just want to provide the name. In that case I'll just click on insert resource, go to the account and select the field. So I just want to select the account name, comma, opportunities are mentioned below. I just have given it one prompt template, I just have given it a prompt that opportunities are mentioned below. So whenever it is going to create the response of this summary response, it will include the account name and the opportunities. So opportunities are mentioned below. Mention account name in bold. If the account has no opportunities to show, do not mention account ID. Only write this account has no opportunities. So basically, into the prompt section, I just have provided it the instructions. Right now, based on this instruction, based on the data which you have created, based on the lines which you have written, it will create a prompt for you, not the response, right? It will create a prompt for you, and that prompt will be sent to the LLM, and then the after that the LLM will send the response to you, right? Here we are only creating the template, not the prompt, right? And here it says opportunities are mentioned below, and below is nothing but there is a flow which I am calling as part of this. There is a flow which I am calling in order to get those opportunities, right? So if you see here into the resource section, we do not have any option to get those opportunities related to that account, right? So what we are doing is we just have created one flow. Into this flow we are just providing the account name, and based on that account name, it is just getting or fetching the opportunities, and those opportunities are again returning back to this particular uh, place, right? I hope it was clear. Let me go to the whiteboard. So what we have done here is we just have created one flow which is used to get the opportunities, right? So into this flow we'll be giving an input which is account name, and that based on that account name it will give us the opportunities, and those opportunities will be returning us to the prompt template type, right? So this is the flow which I have created. Now let me explain you one more thing. If you want to use any flow, if you want to use any flow into the prompt template types, make sure that that flow is of type prompt, right? And if you want to use any apex class or any apex method, you have to make sure that that particular method is invocable method, and into that invocable method there would be one parameter which is uh, something called as entity. Yeah, I'm not remembering the name. Okay, I'll just show you that apex class, but before that let me show you this account summary prompt flow. So just go to the flow, and here we have this account summary prompt flow. If you see, the process type is prompt flow, right? So make sure whenever you want to use any flow into the prompt template type, that flow should be prompt flow. Okay, so whenever you are going to click new flow, you will see the prompt flow option there. Let me show you. Search for the prompt, and here you will see the option of template triggered prompt flow. So this type of flows only which can be, these are the types which can be used into the prompt template, right? You cannot use any type of flow into the prompt template. You can only use the prompt flow into the prompt template types. So let me just open this prompt template and let's see what exactly it is doing. So here once you create the this flow, you will see this is nothing but template triggered prompt flow. Here we are just using which prompt template type, field generation template capability, right? So here I'm just giving the select input type would be automatic inputs, because the inputs will be coming automatically. I do not want to give any input to this flow. So it will ask you about the prompt template type, what type of prompt template type you want to use as part of this flow. So we are just creating field generation template, right? So I'll just select the field generation template capability, and into the use prompt instructions we have one set input data types, which is account object. You just need to select these basic inputs, and then you will again, this is this basic element, which is get record element. This get record element is doing nothing but finding all of the opportunities where account ID is the account ID of that input. So here this prompt is sending this particular prompt template type is sending the account information to this flow, and based on this account ID it is just getting the opportunities. And while looping onto the opportunities, we have created this prompt instructions. What prompt instruction we have created? Opportunity details, name, amount, and stage name. This is what we are providing to it, right? So this particular prompt instruction as a text will be going to the uh, prompt builder, not prompt builder, the it will be going to the prompt template type, right? So this prompt template type will send account information to the flow. This flow will fetch opportunities and will create one string that there are three opportunities. This first opportunity, name, stage, and amount. Second opportunity, name, stage, and amount. Third opportunity, name, stage, and amount. And that as a string will be going to the prompt template type as an instruction, right? So instead of this, there would be a complete history or information about the opportunities, right? So this complete prompt would be looking like: write a short rich text summary of account, the account name, opportunities are mentioned below, right? So as soon as you execute this prompt, it will just call this flow, and instead of this, the complete opportunity records will be available. So opportunities are mentioned below, mention account name in bold. If the account has no opportunities to show, do not mention account ID, right? Now this is the prompt template which you have created, right? So this is the time to test it, and let's preview it how it would look like. So I'll just click on save and preview, and once you click onto the preview, it will ask you for the related record, so for which account you want to create the summary. So I'll just select, let's say, let me just open this Burlington. There is only one opportunity. I'll just use Agentforce training. Okay, there are three opportunities, right? So I'll just use this Agentforce training as an test record, and here I'll just into the related record I'll just select Agentforce training, right? So let's click onto this generate response. It says generate LLM response from resolved prompt. If you want to generate the response just for the preview, or just enable it if you do not want any response to be generated into this preview, let's deactivate this, right? Response language, into which language the response should be. So I'll just use English. Do you want to the preview, do you want to expand the prompt, expand the resolve prompt? Expand means, do you want to open this? Right now this is not expanded, these two screens are not expanded, right? So if you want to expand it, you can do it, else you will be able to expand it later also, right? So once it is done, this is the time to test it. So let's click on preview. So once you are once you have given all of the inputs, you just need to click on preview button. Now based on that prompt which you have created, it is based on the prompt template, not the prompt which you have created, it is creating one prompt, right? So if you see here, write a short rich text summary of account Agentforce training. Now in right now into the second screen, it has replaced this account name with real account name, which is what we said, data grounding, dynamic grounding, right? And opportunities are mentioned below. Mentioned below is this, and this response is coming from the flow which we have created, because this flow is anyhow is giving you the prompt instruction into a plain text. So the prompt is write a short text summary of account Agentforce training, and this complete prompt is going to the LLM, and then LLM is generating the response, and the response is account Agentforce training. This is into bold. Why? Because we have mentioned specifically that mention account name is bold. name in bold, right? So account agent force training has the following opportunities. One is this is the price, and this is the stage. This is the price, this is the stage, price, stage. So this is the final response you will get as part of this prompt template type. Now how to, this is the prompt builder where we are testing it, how we can exactly use it into the real world scenarios. So you just need to go to the your account record page, the record detail page, and here you can place your account summary field. Why? Because we are using account summary as part of this prompt template. If you see here, while creating the prompt template type, we have used account summary, right? So it means that whatever response the LLM will generate, it will be stored into the account summary field, right? So it is very much important to place your account summary field onto the record detail page. Once you place that account summary field, here I already have placed it. So once you place this account summary field onto the record detail page, here you will see one magic pen icon, right? So this is the CTA, or this is the button using which you can call this prompt template. So let me just quickly click onto this button. As soon as I click onto this button, it will call the prompt template type, which this prompt template type, and this prompt template type will again generate one prompt for you, and response will be stored. So let's see how it works. Let's click onto this button, and it says account agent force training has the following opportunities, and these are the opportunities. Right now this response is not coming onto the into the bold. Why? Because we are not using any type of lightning types, custom lightning types, and the standard lightning type maybe is not supporting the bold characters, right? So if you want to use this particular response, you can click on the use button. So it says edit to field. Let me just close it, and you see the account summary field is now having all of the details. If you want to change, if you want to make any changes to this answer, or if you want to make any changes to this response, you can make any changes to this response, right? And if you do not really want any changes to be made, just click on save. So once you save this, the account summary will automatically provide it, right? So this is what the benefits of prompt template types are. Let's suppose if there is no prompt template type, every time you have to provide, every time you have to type the complete prompt and send it to the LLM, and based on that response you will save, you will place the response into the account summary field, right? But now we just need to click onto the single button, and all the information whatever we need will appear onto this account summary field.